Welcome to Movie World, where the silver screen comes to life and every turn feels like stepping into an action-packed blockbuster. From high-speed roller coasters that defy gravity to immersive worlds pulled straight from your favorite films, this is where the magic of Hollywood meets heart-pounding adventure. So come with me and Aisha as we explore everything that there is to offer.
Shake it, shake it, baby, shake it. I feel your vibration. Fine girl, motion. Beautiful temptation.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be ranking all rides on Movie World. We're going to create a tier list and me and Aisha will go into every ride, every show. Hopefully we can do everything. So let's get to it. Now not every ride was available. Some were under maintenance, so obviously we couldn't try out those rides. But I'll try my best to rank them from the experiences that I've had in the past. Now we've come just in time for the launch of the new Wizard of Oz area. Now remember the last time I was here, this was actually the Arkham Asylum area, and that roller coaster made me motion sick. I'm excited to see how I handle it this time around. And they've actually built a new coaster, the Kansas Twister, right next to it, so I'm excited to try that one out too. Are we going the right way? Where are we? Oh, we made it. We're at the castle. The monkeys. It's the monkeys. Alright, initial reactions.
I loved it. That was so lucky. So when we went up, I was getting nervous because I was looking down. Alright.
Going so soon.
No, baby girl, we're coming back.
We're coming back.
Coming back, baby girl.
Alright, we just finished our first roller coaster. That one was pretty fun. The drop isn't as high, but it was still very exhilarating and fun. I would ride. Oh, this is the other one.
Yeah.
Alright. I would say that is a solid B tier.
That one goes backwards.
Yeah.
A B tier.
I think that's a solid B tier for me.
I feel like I can't rank it yet.
Yeah?
Because I don't have anything to compare it
To
to.
compare it to, okay. As for me, I think as of right now, it's either high B tier or low A tier for me. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
This is so much fun. I'm having so much fun.
We're only one ride in. Oh, is this the house? Oh, this is the house. It's Kansas Twister. That's what it's called, the Kansas Twister. That is so cool. We're in the Twister. It's twisting. Oh my god, I felt dizzy coming out of that room.
That's what I'm saying.
Whoa. Cowgirl move.
Hell overlord.
How was that ride?
That was good.
I think-
Wasn't as thrilling as the first one.
Yeah?
So if we're putting Wicked Witch at a... Oh, hello! Hi. Hi. We just met Dorothy.
We just met Dorothy. So that one that we just went on wasn't as thrilling as the first one.
Yeah.
So we went to Kansas City Coaster, not as thrilling as the Wicked Witch one. I would still say it's a nice ride.
I think it's a nice ride.
It's still a nice ride. It's very relaxing. The first drop was a little bit good, like better, and we went backwards, which is always fun.
I would vote... So for Wicked, I reckon I would rate it a C.
Yeah.
And I think
Wait.
for Kansas, I would rate it a D.
Oh really? Whoa. Okay.
Because it was fun, but it wasn't like... Oh, actually, no. You know, I lied. Okay, I'll do it. Wicked B, Kansas C.
Okay. Okay, she's my sunshade. She's umbrella. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at the Wild West section.
Wow, West.
Wild West. We got ring toss, we got the bowl. Smash all the blocks. We're in the Wild West. Yeah.
Honestly, that would
We
probably.
got sprayed a little bit, I think.
Oh yeah.
Going up. Surprisingly, that was a lot more fun than I remembered it last time. There was a section where we went backwards and it was just so unexpected.
Yeah.
I wish I got our reaction. We were like sort of trying to sneaky film it before, but my phone turned off. But yeah, I think that is high B tier. I would rate that similar. I don't know, I just felt so much fun on that.
That was really.
Yeah.
And it was so good because it was like the water splashing. It's really hot right now.
Exactly. I think the water splash put it up a little bit for me, like
Yeah.
added a little extra point. I think that is also high B tier, very similar to the which one? The which one?
It's weird. I am the superhero.
You are the superhero. Joker's guarding the bank. Joker's chatting up some girls.
Whoa.
Whoa. Where's Harley? Let me tell her. Ooh, it's getting packed. It is.
Get out of the vehicle and put your hands in the air. Not you, deputy. Hands on the car. In this body. Move your body. This body. In this body.
Look at this cute cup that we got. It is a video. Thank you guys.
Take it easy, Bats. We're just trying to enjoy the Good Citizen Award. Justice has been served here once again.
Welcome to the Justice League. This is the Hall of Justice.
And the resident tech expert. On behalf of the Justice League, thank you.
The difference.
The difference in shooting ability.
Hey yo.
Alright, we just finished the 3D experience. It was pretty fun because we were shooting a bunch of aliens. It's probably C.
I'd give it a C.
I
I think it was fun, but it would have made my eyes very dry.
It was the 3D glasses.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, on to the Green Lantern next.
Never so excited.
I actually don't mind this one. I think this one will be fun.
Heart is currently pounding. What did we just ride?
The Green Lantern. And do you know what I rate it?
What?
An A.
An A. It was so much fun.
That was
You know what? An A, but my only sad thing about it was it's very short.
It is. All the rides are very, very short.
I feel like the scariest part is waiting for the edge.
Yeah, that's with everything. On the edge, I think it's a little bit better because it feels like you're about to fly off the edge.
To be fair, not really.
I think it was because you were not on the right edge. The right edge is the one that makes you feel like you're gonna fly off. Yeah.
We cross now live to our reporter on the scene.
Charlie's Chocolate Factory. Oh wow. Me. Alright, we've made it to the kids area and we're
Yeah.
gonna try out the kids coasters. There's 2 of them, I think.
Yeah, I
And a
think
Ferris
so.
wheel. But a Ferris wheel is a Ferris wheel. I don't know if we want to try that. So we just finished the ride. That was low-key actually pretty fun.
Low-key?
Yeah.
We got a bit of that.
The butterfly feeling?
Butterfly feeling.
The drop, obviously it's a kids coaster, so they don't make the drop too intense, but it still goes pretty dang high.
It's really cute.
Maybe I'm just afraid of all heights though.
Yeah, true.
Alright, it's time for the Tweety cage. Oh, we're too big for it, look.
Yeah.
For once, I'm too big for something. I guess not. Well, we're rating that a F.
F. F.
That's not that tall, right? Yeah, let's try it. Bring it. We're trying, everyone. Alright, so we just finished the Martian.
Yep.
Another little kid ride, but any drop sort of ride, you get that little tummy feeling.
Road Runner 1 was still like, it was like still fun.
Yeah, this one is just like repeated
It's cute,
after a
yeah.
cute little drop, you know? Alright, so we're gonna watch the parade now and then we're going to head to the big boy. Reactions?
I'm excited. I'm really excited actually.
There's a red lantern.
That's right, the big one.
The lines actually doesn't look that bad.
Actually, that's oh, the back.
We're going. Oh, guess we're not going. Just to, yeah.
My heart is thumping right now. No backing out.
No backing out.
Never what? A little way through, my tummy started feeling a little funny, and I was like, oh shit. But I just kept screaming through it. But that's why I didn't scream as much. I was like, ah! And then when I did, I had like air just all come into my mouth, and then I was like, oh, like I burped out, and I was like,
Yeah. Well, that was DC Rivals. I think that is high A tier, low S tier. I don't know.
Yeah, high A tier,
High
low
it-
S tier.
It's not like the best roller coaster I've ever been
yeah,
on.
I don't think it's the, and I feel like they would be better.
But yeah, high A tier for this one.
Yeah, it
Um,
was actually very, 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 very fun.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I think my stomach is just my biggest competitor.
Yeah.
Dude, it was like, there was so much. There was so much.
Alright, so that's all the rides at Movie World. The tier list finalized over here. Perfect. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.